Hey Connie, Corey here. Nicole told me to send out this video for you real quick. I'm going to shoot over a few tips. This is just going to help you with your rankings, outrank your competition, and help you bring in more leads and help grow your business. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google is very content driven. They love words, and even all these little images, this all has content in it as well. You got the train logo, some numbers back there. You can actually switch that out, put keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can actually drive more traffic. So your first tip, I like to be right around 2,000 words right on that first page. That way Google can actually, so that way you can actually layer in those keywords. And those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. If I go inside of Google, type in HVAC Tulsa AC, AZ, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. These actually just help block out some of those spammy phone calls that those old school ads were doing. There's still another form of paid advertisement, really. A lot of people do have ad blockers up, so a lot of these ads aren't even getting through. Right here in this Google GMB or Google My Business listing, we have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top. And to get to the very top right here, you're really going to be dealing with these online citations. They're just business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all the work that you did in this listing. Underneath this, GMB or Google My Business listing there, we have that first page of Google. Looks like you're found for a keyword right in there, but to get right here in this top reach is really going to be dealing with all that content found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Backlinks are just nothing more than other links linking right back to yours. Those other websites really just push power to your site so you can actually get on that first page of Google to actually bring those leads in. Kind of give you an idea here. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 43 referring domains, 181 backlinks. Historically, you've had about 723. This is the last, you actually got this thing going back in 2013 or so. This is the last 3 months of your site. You got 135 keywords pushing back 69 clicks to your website. You can actually see where those clicks are coming from. We've got Northern Arizona Refrigeration. You got 60 clicks a month coming in. You got 24 of those clicks because you're at that first position. Arizona Refrigeration, 150 clicks. Your second position, bringing in another 23 clicks. And then just trying to find these other keywords that actually is going to help you draw more and more traffic to you. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is this company right here. Put them inside of Ahrefs. So here's their keywords and also their rankings. Phoenix AC Repair. There's 500 clicks right there with that Phoenix AC Repair. Fourth position, they got 50 clicks. Air Conditioning Services, Phoenix AZ, another 150 clicks. HVAC, Phoenix AZ, another 150 clicks. AC Phoenix AZ, another 100 clicks. AC Repair Phoenix AZ, another 250 clicks. So just coming in, finding a few of these keywords and also making sure you're doing those proper backlinks so you can actually get on that first page. Then also making sure you're doing enough content so you can actually be found for those keywords. That's just a few tips to actually bring in more leads for yourself. Anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting soon. Bye.